Well, I'm ready. Ready, set, go.
So guys, sorry, I am back for our second and maybe final holiday special video. This is a question from math thing. So it's, in how many ways can you arrange the black and white kings on an empty chessboard to get an acceptable position according to standard chess rules? So standard chess rules state that kings cannot be next to each other, because then they could take each other. Because yeah. So basically, here you have two methods to do it. So one, you could use complementary counting, which is subtracting the ones that you don't want, or you could do just adding them all up, like all the cases that you do want up. So first we're going to do complementary counting, method 1. So first of all, how many possible positions are there? 64 times 63. Because on a chessboard there are 64 squares. The first king you can place anywhere. The second king you cannot place on top of the first king, because that would be weird. And so you have one less. So 64 times 63, that is 4,032. And then the ones that you don't want. So first of all, the kings cannot be touching each other, right? So in the corners, there are 3 spaces that the first king controls. So for every corner, there's 3. And then for every edge, there are 24, and they both control 5. And then in the center, 36 centers, like the center 6x6. If you need to visualize, you can pull up a chessboard and like visualize it for yourself. The king controls 8 squares. So this is what you don't want. And before we go on, this will not overcount, because one is black and one is white, and this will this will not overcount because they're 2 different pieces, and yeah. So we do not need to divide this by 2. So this is 12 plus 120 plus 288. It's 420. So then you have 4,032 minus 420 is 36 ways. That's how you get the answer, by doing this way. You could also just add them up. So the first king takes up 1 space for itself and then 3 spaces that it controls. So you have 60 times 4, because when it's in the corner. I'm basically just doing this. And then plus 24 times 58. You're basically just doing the same thing here. That's this. And then plus 36 times 55, because once again the king controls 8 and also its own square. So this is equal to 240 plus 1392 plus 1980. This is equal to 3,612. Let me just check that. Yes, it is equal to, wait, let's do that again. 240, 1392, 1980. I will use the standard other than the check, because 498, it's 1, 2, 3, yeah, 36, 12 ways. In both cases, you get the same answer. So that means this answer is correct, and that there are 3,612 ways to put 2 kings on a chessboard so that they cannot take each other.